Hey guys, in this tutorial you're gonna learn how to record and edit video on Windows 10. The first step, open the browser and search AceMovi, click the first result and download the TunesKit AceMovi video editor to your computer. And then open this software on your computer. Click the Media tab and then click Record. A new recorder window will pop up. You can choose the record screen size, the audio output, and your mic output. Once you click the record button, the recording will begin in 3 seconds. Once you're done with the recording, a new file will be added to the media box. Drag it to the timeline and then do some trimmings to color the unwanted parts. In the resource library, you can choose stickers or background and add it to your recordings. There are also text templates for you to choose from. You can easily create a modern text intro for recordings as well as an ending credit. There are also some other features. When you're done with the editing, click Export and save the video to your Windows 10 computer. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.